Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Heist Placements and Heist Digital Academy. So
It's not
today
started,
we are
madam.
here
One
for the
second.
sorry, sorry,
It's
sir.
not started. Recording has not started. One second.
It has started. It has
Started.
given me the identification.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So we are here for the demo class of digital marketing today. Heist Placements is giving training for 5 months for 500 rupees, and the classes are going to start from Jan 5th. So we are giving IT courses on Salesforce, Java, WordPress, data science, blockchain, AWS, DevOps, PHP, Android, cloud computing, Service Node, MuleSoft, UiPath, testing, Python, full stack development, AngularJS, Node.js, React.js, and .NET MVC. So under non-IT courses, we are providing HR, banking, BPO, MS Office, MS Excel, interview skills, and com skills. So, guys, these classes are going to start from Jan 5th, and it is only for 500 rupees for 5 months. During this program, you will be getting training, internship, certification, working on live projects, as well as job assistance. As you all know, that HICE has been associated with top 150 plus MNC companies who will be giving 3 to 12 lakhs per annum. You'll be getting job assistance once this training is done. So whenever there are openings in this MNC companies, you will be guided to enter into those companies and have your career start. So I request everyone to share this knowledge among all your friends network so that even they can avail this program and get the benefits. Now, these training programs are almost given by trainers who have almost 10 plus years of experience. And we have two batches, morning batch and evening batch. Morning batch, it is from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and evening it will be from around 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. Any 1.5 hour to 2 hours. So, guys, don't forget to share this message. And I request Kiran sir to take up the session now.
Thank you, madam. Okay. So yesterday till where we have discussed. As anyone has any idea what all we have discussed yesterday?
Till
Location.
language targeting language.
Yeah. So today shall we start from what we have done from yesterday, or else shall we create a new one again, so that you will be more familiar, so that we can go immediately. You can remember each and every point. How shall I take it? So shall I create a new campaign again?
No need, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I will be just doing it. Okay. You have to guide me how to do. Okay. So that I can understand till what you have understood. Okay. But we have to be more quick. Okay. Now starting the search campaign in Google Ads. Okay. So just tell me immediately what I have to do, so that within 5 minutes we have to create the campaign.
We need to click on website traffic
Yes.
under search. Search campaign, and we need to
Next. I want everyone response here, so that I can understand your knowledge.
continue.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
okay. Can others say what we have to do next?
We need to create budget, allocate budget, or it's of our choice. 10 rupees.
Okay. I want everyone to respond, not only one person. Okay.
10 rupees.
Next.
Impression share.
Yes.
Top of the page.
Anuj, some disturbance is coming from your end, Anuj. Can others say answer? Madhu or Sindhu, can you say from here where we have to go?
Top of result is
Okay.
50%.
Okay.
0.5.
Okay.
Next, more settings.
Okay.
Add rotation. First option. Optimize. Prefer best performing ads.
Okay. Good. So here,
We need to uncheck all this search network and display network because
Ex-
we are out of budget, low budget.
yes. Based on budget, we have to select this, and this is more important when we want to do more conversions, or if we want to optimize it more, or whenever we are pacing low. Okay, whenever our budget is not getting exhausted at that such point, we can use these terms. Okay. And next location.
We need to enter the location of our targeted location.
Okay.
Let's Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, very good. Next,
Delhi.
Delhi, good. Next,
Uttar
Andhra Pradesh.
Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Yes, Andhra Pradesh. This is enough. Okay, we'll see with these locations. Okay, so you remember, right? Even if the client requirement is related to a specific zone, we can, within a small radius, we can go with that also.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
keep in mind that one also. Okay, don't forget. Another point what you should know is, like, if client is coming with a certain radius, okay, if you want to do all in Hyderabad, and you should remember that we can't exhaust the budget immediately, because as it is a small place, the cost per click will be high as the audience are low. Okay, you should remember that. If client is coming with some such requirements, you should say, sir, as we are targeting a specified location, the cost per click will go high. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this one, so anyone has done the research on this? Yes or no?
Sir, no, sir.
Okay. Here what we can see is target location is, like, you can just read here, presence or interest, people in, regularly in, or who seen your interest in your targeted location. Okay, here people in or regular in your target location. Sometimes what happens, I'm staying in Hyderabad, okay, and someone is staying in Delhi. A person in Delhi has seen your ad. Okay. For example, a person from Hyderabad went to Delhi, and even if you want to show his ad also, then you can go and click on the top one. And second one is, like, person who is sitting in Hyderabad can only see the ad. Okay, whatever targeted location you are there, those people can only see your ad, not other people, because people from Hyderabad can travel to other locations also, right? So that time it should not show that ad to him. The reason is we should not want to waste our budget. For example, if he is going to Delhi and if he responds to that ad, he will not join immediately, right? He can't join also, as he migrated to Delhi. So to save your budget, you have to go with people in or regularly in your targeted location. That is better for you. And another way, this is also helpful, okay, when a person is staying in Delhi and he want his neighbors or friends who are there in Hyderabad, okay, and he want to guide them, okay, this is the best institute, or this is the best course, this is the best thing, like that. If you want to target those people, you have to click on top one, but it's better always to keep the second option so that it will be fair for your ads. Okay, or else you can even keep this one and you can exclude this one. Okay, presence people in your exclude a location, this is recommended. And this, regarding this, I will tell you another lecture, okay, where and when we have to use these options. As of now, I'm just using these two. Okay, first one and second one. And what about the languages?
Hindi,
Telugu, Hindi,
English.
Yeah, Telugu. As of now, we'll go with Telugu and Hindi only. Okay, because English, if you go, it
Okay.
will reach to higher audience, more people. As our budgets are low, we'll just target and see. And in another campaign again, we see by keeping Hindi, English also. Okay. So you are clear, right? What about audience? So what all we have to select?
Education.
Okay, these are enough as of now. Just only government jobs, as this site is only related to government jobs and private jobs, right? So whatever is there, it is a good site for testing your knowledge on any competitive exam. So we can just go ahead and keep only education, exam preparation, post-secondary education, as well as education jobs and government jobs. This is enough for now. And I said you right these things. So anyone has done any research on it? Yes or no? If you don't know, I will tell you again. No. Okay. So here is demographic details. That is like whether this is, you can see this option. Okay, whether you are want to target only parents or only people who are married or single in relationship. These also you can do. Or else if you want to target only education wise, there are few colleges. Okay, few people are there, right? Even you can target in those conditions also, university wise, like that. And here like renters and house owner, homeowners, these options are very good when it is in foreign countries, not in India. Okay, the segregation for this is very good for foreign country people, not for Indians. This is again based on employment and based on industry, which industry people you want to target. So it's not advisable to keep initially, because if you feel that your budget is getting exhausted of unwanted thing, then you can use these terms. And other things is like, this is called what their interest and habits are. Affinity audience. Affinity audience means people who are likely interested in the products. For example, people who are interested in banking, people who are interested in beauty. So it is segregated as per people, right? For example, if you take Madhu or Sindhu, they are interested more into beauty and wellness, right? And if you take Srinu and other Anuj and other people, they are interested in technology or sports, right or wrong? So here we can
Yes,
understand
sir.
people interested in this category will show more interest, right? As ours is related to an online exam test. So this is related to education completely. It is not related to any sector, right? So it's better if you can go and keep it related to education sector. Okay. See, do we have that option here? If you go here again, you can see technology. We have mobile enthusiasts, social media enthusiasts. So we can go and keep social media. Okay, because students are most likely interested in this sector, right? Right or wrong? If you have doubt, you can ask me immediately. So most of the students are mostly fall under this category. Okay, so we can keep that one. Banking and finance, if it is jobs related, we can do banks online. Just keep, as we have government jobs, right? Bank jobs, just keep this bank online. And we have to check each and every category. If something suits us, we can keep it. So these are the categories what you have. See, for example, if you're selecting this, right, you'll get all the category. But if you need only one, only health and fitness, you can only select this. Or only sports fans, you can select this. You can grow as narrow as you want. Okay. So now we have selected almost all 7 categories. This is more important. Audience segmentation is something which will give the best results. If you want to do anything optimization, any optimization, if you want to increase the conversion rate, if you want to utilize your budget properly, everything can fall under this audience segmentation. So people have to keep more interest on this while doing it. Okay. And after that, sometimes what happens, now we are good. Okay. But some people don't know what type of ad should be shown to the person, right? If you're not sure what type of ad you can see, what you can do is like you can use dynamic search ad setting. This is the best option for you to understand based on user based. Are you able to understand it? You have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Because as of now, for our site, this client site, we don't know which category, okay, and which one is the best option, right? So we went up to here, right? Sorry, I missed these options also. And when it comes to in-market audience, same whatever we are having their categories, right? Here also we have so many categories. So in-depth categories will be there. These are already showing interest on these categories. So if you want to select whatever you need, you can select it. Here we have already done education. Okay. As we have selected in affinity market related to that category, here it bifurcated here. So you can even select here employment, because people who are interested for jobs has to see our ad, right? And after that, in marketing, how we have interacted with your business. For example, now we have seen people coming to our website. Okay. If someone has already come to our website and he has interacted on our website, so even we can target those people also. Okay. This is the option. As no one has started it, it is not coming anything. If not, it will come as per that segmentation. And you combine your combined audience segmentation. Here it is a new combined. We can keep our own segmentation. So if we are having a data, so that data we can upload here. Okay, we want to target only those people. That also can be done. But if you want to do, there are certain restrictions are there that I will be telling you in the later of the class. Okay. So now it was done, this one. Now, as you don't know how we have to create an ad, which one will show good result. If you're not sure on those things, now you can just go with such dynamic search ads. Okay. What it will show now? It will take the part of content which is needed for the user and it will show different ads. Okay. For example, bank job related thing, it will show one ad. Okay. And for example, now we have different categories, right? Civil services are there, management is there, banking is there, government jobs is there, SSC is there. There are certain categories are there. Whatever categories we are having, for example, graduate engineering students are there. So if those people are interested in any of this course, we don't know. So we can't create such many ads, right? As this site is having so many categories and so many exams. Okay, if railway is there, POC is there, finance is there, almost all and everything is covered in this website. So client will want to get people for all the exams. It is not only one exam, right? If you're doing an ad, we don't want only subscriptions are coming to our website based on only one category. It should be from all the categories. So what we can do, if we can give the main URL to the to here for dynamic, it will use Google index of my website and it will try to create its own ads. Okay. The result of this also I will show you once we run the ads. Okay. Now we are coming to the most important thing. Why means whenever we are setting a campaign, the most important thing is.
Sir, other two options there, sir.
Now we can't use it. Okay. Use URLs from my page feed only. Okay. Use URLs from Google index of my website and my page. As this is a new website and we have created newly, right? Till Google can't take those two options for now. Okay. Once we start running our ads, after certain time, Google captures the data from those index page and everything. Then only we can use those options. So you can see it's a grayed out, right? We don't
Yes,
have
sir.
option to see. Okay. Till we don't run for some time, we can't see those things. Okay. So now when we are coming to start date and end date, this is more important because your budget will run based on these dates. If you are not giving an end date, whatever budget you are having amount, extra amount is there in your account will also get utilized. Is it a good or bad?
Bad.
So for example, now I'm keeping some X amount. So I just want to run only for certain time. The reason is most of the clients will celebrate want to show their ads on specific dates. For example, if next New Year is coming, okay. So for New Year, they want to show their ads to people to show their offers, New Year offers, right? So they can give a start date as December 28 and end date as January 2nd or 3rd. Okay. Or else they can even start 1 week before only. For example, if you take, for you people to understand easily, for example, if you want to take February 14, Valentine's Day, right? So for Valentine's Day, there are a lot of options are there, opportunities are there. What, for example, if you take Domino's Pizza, it will tell, it will give an ad showing that on Lovers Day, if you buy one pizza, you will get one more pizza for your lover. Okay, that is an option. Like that, everyone have different options are there. Opportunities like to get more customers to them, they give more many offers, right? So those offers are depend only on dates. For example, if you are keeping February 14, okay, Valentine's Day, can he run the ad in March or April also? Will it give any good result?
No,
No.
sir.
No, right? Because those are occasions, certain dates, specified dates, right? We can't show the ad after February 14. Even if we can extend at least 2 or 3 more days, right? Not more than that. If you show more than that, right, they will think that why this person is unnecessary wasting their money. Or else, if you even give more, right, what happens? They think that your product is not good. That is the reason you are still giving offers. Okay. So the brand value will also get hampered if you are not doing your ads in a proper time. Okay. So as now what we are having, this is an education site, online portal site. Okay, where student can learn 365 days, right or wrong. So there is no need to keep any budget, but any date. But still, what I can do is like if I want to test every campaign, I can still set a date here. Okay, because we have a lot of campaigns if we are creating. I want to use my budget for each and every campaign. So what I will do, I'll just keep December only, 31st.
Start date will be current date, sir.
Start date will be current date. It's not only current date. You can keep any date as of now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, or else you can give this end date. We can give none or this, but start date you have to give at any cost. If you are not giving that start date, it will take as a current date.
Okay, okay.
Okay, I can keep any start date. For example, I can keep start date as December 30. Now what we are doing is like we are setting up the campaign. Once we set the campaign, what happens? This campaign will go for review to
Sir,
Google
one more
Pay.
thing, sir.
Yeah.
You have kept it that started as 30th December, no, sir. From 30th December, our ad will
Show.
start reflecting.
Yes.
Until now, it won't get any ads in our
No.
website.
No.
Okay, okay.
Not in your website. Not our website. It shows on others' website.
Okay, okay.
Okay. This is the start date of your campaign. For example, most of the advertisers, so for big companies like where I work with many multinational companies, these companies will only use a specified date, as we call it as campaign dates, flight dates. Indirect we call it as flight dates. Okay, what is the start date and end date? The campaign will start at this date and end with this date. So that is most important for any campaign. Even if client is not aware of that, you should ask the client like, sir, till when we have to run this ad. Okay, that is top most important thing. If you are doing any mistake in that, you will be in big trouble. Okay, because everything is involved with money, right? The other reason is also most of the clients will use their credit card. Okay, so when they are using credit card, if you are not giving an end date, it will exhaust their budget, their money. You don't know, and even the client also don't knows, right? If we are adding money, it is a prepaid account. Like if you're adding some X amount and we are doing it, still we can minimize it. But if you're adding a credit card to your account and if you're not giving an end date, it will lead to a very big trouble. Okay, so it is always better to keep an end date. Okay, as our account is a prepaid account, I'm not giving an end date, and even our budget is very low, right? So more than that, it will can't exhaust it. Okay. So I'm just keeping it for today only. We'll see if it gets approved tomorrow or not. Any doubts?
Sir.
You're clear, right? So most remember, first point on anything campaign. Okay, even if you're keeping wrong in audience segment, anything, at least you can correct it back. Okay, but if you're not correcting this, it will lead to a big trouble. Okay, so this is the priority one. Start date and end date has to be kept. Okay, and even when you're doing a campaign set, you have to make your own checklist. Okay, and you have to check it. Okay, whether I have included my start date or end date, first one, and second one, whether I used the right audience or not. Okay, have I used the proper language or not, and what was the locations I have targeted. Okay, and is the network selected or not selected. This is the checklist point for you. You should make your own checklist stating that you will not miss anything. Okay,
Okay.
and other thing. Okay, up to here you are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now here it comes, ad schedule. Okay, you people will get more questions on ad schedule also, as location is one place where interviewers will ask only for targeted location. Okay, I want to target my ads, I want to show our ads only in this region. That time you can use that option as radius. Okay, but you should not say, yesterday I said you right, you should not say directly as radius as the option. You should explain them in a clear way such that the interviewer should feel that you know everything. Okay, like that here also ad schedule. Because can you say what do you mean by ad schedule? Any try from your end? I always saying you, if you want to try, you try, because again and again you will not get this option of expressing your own views. This is the only place where you can open your mouth. Yes or no?
It allows us to change the bid at a certain time level.
No, I will tell you here. Okay, for example, we have a lot of criteria are there. Okay, some advertisers will feel that Saturday and Sunday there are a lot of people are coming, students are coming. Okay, then I want to show my ad only on weekends. Okay, only on weekends, Saturday and Sunday only my ad should run. That is exactly at 12 o'clock night, and again morning 12 o'clock. Okay, so only Saturday and Sunday my ad will run all day. If you see, all day Saturday and Sunday. Okay, only these 2 days. Or else I want only on weekdays, Monday to Friday. Okay, so I want only to run my ad only on weekdays, I can run. Okay, or else I want only on specific day. Okay, can you say any examples for this, when to use which dates? What type of ads we try to use these things? Any guesses at least? Only specified dates also. Can anyone answer?
Tuesday.
Yes. Tuesday? For what option? Okay, I think you are not getting the answer. Okay, I will tell you. For example, if I want to run this ad, I can run for all days. Okay, from 8th December and every day I can run this ad. For example, if I have a client related to pizza, okay, pizza client is there, that time one campaign you can just run it as not only on Fridays. Only on Fridays. The thing is like corporate people, okay, employees, Saturday and Sunday they are having holidays, right? Both days. So if you run a campaign on Fridays, what happens, on Friday people can see your ad. Okay, then they'll realize, okay, tomorrow Saturday and Sunday are coming, right? At least we go for have pizza, even though they don't have any interest till now. But after seeing your ad, they will feel interested to go. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So for such things, you can keep it on Friday. Okay. And if you go on Thursday, so Thursdays, we have a lot of temples, right? If any client related to puja samagri, so then you can show it on Wednesday to run your ads only on Wednesday, because after seeing on Wednesday, they will realize, okay, Thursday is coming, so we have to do puja. Let's buy all these items. Okay. Or else we can order it online, something based on time to time. It is not mandatory, but it is just a recall factor for them. If you just show, even though they are not interested, still they'll go and buy it. Okay. For example, if you take Fridays, Thursday to Friday, any groceries, not groceries, like e-commerce sites, like your dresses, shoes, these things are there, right? If you keep any ads, they will get an idea. Okay, this is a good shirt. I will go and buy this one, like that. Right or wrong? You're understanding, or you have any issues, any doubts?
Clear,
No
sir.
doubt, sir.
Right? You have to check whether you can ask your client also, so which dates you want your customers will come more. Okay, these are mostly helpful for local. Okay, it's not like online, mostly local stores. When you're targeting local stores, right, premises in certain radius, these are very helpful. For example, this is an online exam test. I can tell that, okay, anyone can come on Saturday and Sunday to my office to find out what are my cost and everything, right? If you show ad on Friday also, people will go, okay, tomorrow I want to go and see this one online thing, how it is going. I will just reach out to the management and asking if I can get good discounts or not. Okay, that happens. Now I'm keeping it for all day. So interviewer will ask you this question: what is the option available for you when I want to show my ad on a specific day? So what will be your answer?
Ad schedule
Ad schedule.
by
Okay.
choosing.
Yes. Interviewer may ask, I'm interested only to show in this location. Then within 5 kilometers, I want to show my ad. Then what is the option?
Radius.
Radius and ad schedule.
Radius.
Why ad schedule? Only radius. That is the reason yesterday I created a campaign. Today I'm creating, day before yesterday also I've created, so that you will understand the difference. Okay, when interviewer was asking, if you say a wrong answer, right, you will lose a better opportunity. Okay, so when he is asking for within a distance, within kilometers, certain range, specific range, you can go with radius. Even if he's asking certain location, you can tell, okay, I can target with location option. In that location, still if you want to target different, how many kilometers, within how many kilometers, then you can say, because these things will get only for clients like real estate clients, okay, or automobile industry clients. Okay, because for automobiles, I just take an example of Maruti and Suzuki. Okay, Maruti and Suzuki, this is also having many outlets in Hyderabad. Okay, I work for Maruti and Suzuki also. I run so many campaigns. Here, how it happens is they have a lot of dealers. Okay, every location they have a specific dealers are there. So what people will come, for example, if Madhapur is there, okay, they have their own showroom. So they will say, so I want to target only for my location people, not all the location, because every location is having different dealerships, right? So his target is only within a range of 2 to 3 kilometers or 2 to 5 kilometers, not more than that, right? Location is same. Hyderabad is the location, but radius is within 5 kilometers. That you should understand while you are answering your question. Okay, they will ask you, can you just tell me an example? So I mean it is Hyderabad. Okay, but what is the use of using option like radius? Then can you just show me an example? Then you can say this example. So I work for an automobile industry, where this automobile industry is having a showroom in this location. As this is a big company, it is having several showrooms in Hyderabad. As the client is located only in this location, for example, Madhapur, Gachibowli, Kukatpalli, like that. Okay, so in Hyderabad location, the radius is only in and around Gachibowli. Okay, because his outlet is only in Gachibowli location. So you're clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So be cautious while answering the question. Okay. That is more important. Whatever your training is secondary. If you're not able to answer them in interview, it is of no use. Okay. That is more important. Okay. Now ad schedule is also is done. Even ad schedule, if they ask a question, you can answer it. Okay. Based on your own examples. And after that, these options are there. This is not required as of now. Okay. We'll go ahead with other options now. Now we came to the most important thing. Okay. Here, dynamic ad targets is given. Okay. So we have given as use exact URL, right? Enter the URL you want to target. Okay. This is the target I'm using it because on the main page itself. So the thing is like on main page itself, we are having the options of everything, right? Here everything is there. So I'm just targeting only the main page. Or else if you want only other also, you can still target it. Okay. If you want to target, for example, I want only civils exam services. Okay. You'll go here and you'll select it, something or the other. You'll go here. Okay. But here we are not getting it. Exam papers, UPS exam papers are there, right? So everything is here. So now we can see the URL, right? This is the main URL, parent URL, and this is the extensions. Okay. So this will take to this page. So if you give this URL, whenever a person who is really interested in ads related to that will by dynamic search ads, they will show this ad. Okay. Now I'm just keeping only one URL, not more than that. Okay. Create rules to target web pages also. This is a high level way. Now we'll not understand that. This will be tell later on. Okay. Now it was given dynamic search ad. It will take. So it is showing like this dynamically generated headline. Okay. It will select the best headline from your website and it will show. You're getting it right? So it is showing us my test mate is a free online course and test papers, skills aptitude language. It's placement papers. This is what it is giving. Okay. It will try 10 to 15 or 20 or 30 also different content it will take from the website and it will show. And whichever is giving the best option will be considered as a permanent one. Okay. Here you can see, right? This will be generated dynamically from your website based on the clicks and everything. It will progress. Okay. So now we have created the ad also here. Now, if you are going here, this is a very most important one more thing is like site links. What do you mean by site links? Any idea? No idea means tell me. I will do it again.
It takes people to our specific page on the website.
Yes. So now I'm just keeping as dynamic, right? So because of that, we are getting an issue of not creating our regular campaign. Okay. So next time when you ask me, I will show you that also how to do the other part. Okay. This is taking is dynamically, it is taking in the headline and everything from the website. Okay. I will show you next time in the next campaign how to type your content also. Or else you can create. Okay, I don't want to confuse you people, just you will understand it. Now here what we can use like site links are like we'll go and see an example here now so that you will understand. Okay, just tell me something what you want to hear here, where we'll get good one. online test papers. Okay, I'm just clicking as online test papers. Now you can see an ads here, right? This is the main ad what we are keeping as headline. This is description. This is called as site links. Textual pricing, scan, this are there. See, in site link, if you see book a free 60 minutes trial, best for Phoenix based classes, attend and earn certificate. Right? These are site links. If you're seeing this ad, this is not that good. When you come here, you can see, okay, book a free 60 minutes trial, right? This will make you to click the ad, right or wrong? Because everyone is interested for free things, right? Here, book a 60 minutes free is there. So chances of clicking your ad will increase if you are using site links. Okay. Here, what I will do, UPSC. What we can keep now? UPSC. UPSC test papers. Okay. You're understanding what I want to say?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This UPSC test papers will come and show it here. So people who are really interested in UPSC papers, immediately will click on that link. Okay. So for that, again on UPSC, we should have some content, right? We'll see some content is there on the website or not. We'll use this one. Start practicing more. Okay. Start practicing more. I'll use this as a description. UPSC paper. Start practicing more. Here, one more thing you should understand is there is a word limit is there. So the site link text can only show 25 characters. And when it comes to description, it is only 35 characters. So whenever you are typing anything, keep in mind of this limitation, character limitation. Okay. And the second headline, what I can use? India's best online test papers. I just keep best online test papers for now, because as we are not prepared. Okay, one more good thing, we can just use these things are the key features are there, right? Use these key features also as site links. Okay. Plus minus, if we keep it here, it will not accept. Okay, special characters are not accepted here. So here now I have to keep this as the link. So if person clicks on that UPSC test papers, immediately he will go directly to this page. Okay. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Next
sir.
thing, what I will use, most of the people will use for bank exams, right?
Yes.
So now we'll go and see banking. Okay. Banking, PO, right? Everyone will try to give PO exams, right? So PO we are taking. Which bank you want to get? Which
SBI.
bank? SBI. Yes. Most of the people try for SBI, right? Okay. Now we'll keep it as not SBI. Okay. We keep it as bank PO. Right? Any question? You should get a question, right? Because we are targeting to different locations, right? Maybe SBI has given notification or not, we don't know. But some bank might have given a notification, right or wrong?
Yes,
So
sir.
it should
Yes,
be
sir.
better when we are keeping your words should be choosy. Okay, if you keep bank PO papers, if any notification comes at any time, if they see a bank PO already notification is there, then they'll go to this page directly, right? If you keep only SBI PO, there is no notification coming. Okay, Bank of Baroda has given a notification, but after seeing the ad, he will think, okay, it is only SBI PO, not Bank of Baroda, right? So we should not get eliminated by using these words. If we are seeing here UPSC test papers, okay, UPSC means only one, right? There is not different. But when it comes to bank, it is only, there are a lot of things are there, right? So many banks are there. So use the best words only. And just for now, I'm just keeping that one. Okay. Which one will take? Topic wise questions. Okay. I use this word in this.
14x selection of
One. Yes, tell me. 14x increase of selection.
yes, sir.
See, as selection, we will give it. Okay. When we are keeping these statements, we call as, we should not what you will misinterpret students, right? We can keep, but still after seeing, if they not get selected, they think it's a bad thing, right? So try to be more realistic when you're setting up ads. Okay, anywhere when you're setting up an ads, think 100 wise. People should never even take legal action on you if they're using these words, right? If you're saying 14x on website, we can't do anything, but by seeing the ad, if someone has told, okay, they are given as 14x, so if they want to file a case, unnecessary legal issues, but nothing is going to happen. This for small thing, but when it comes to bigger brands, right? For bigger brands, the chances are there. So when we are setting up any campaign for bigger brands, whatever ad copies we make, we have to send that ad copies to the legal team first. Okay, so you can just keep as increases chances of selection. Is it good or bad now?
Good, sir.
Okay, so while using the words also, right, as small thing we can do, but when it comes to bigger clients, if you are going to work for bigger client, so he expects this one. Okay, there should not be any issues. We can keep set of 4, but as of now we have limited time. I'm just keeping it to 2. Okay, I'm saving it out. Now you can see the preview here. Okay, here the headline and description, this comes here, and after that you can see our site links. You're getting it, right? See, this is when it is on mobile, you can see like this. When it comes to desktop, you can see like here headline 1 and 2 and description 1 are there, right? Here you are not able to see any ad. The reason is we are using dynamic ads, right? So for dynamic, it will show at the point of when the ad is getting rendered. Okay. Here the headline will be there, and as well as description will be there. Behind below that, you can see the site links. See, if you're on mobile, if you're seeing something, if you see like this, is the chances of clicking on the ad is more or not? Where can you see this
Yes,
ad?
sir.
Where can you see this ad? On YouTube, right? Yeah, perfect. So on YouTube, if you see this thing, right, if someone is already watching some videos related to exam papers, there this ad will come, and immediately the chances of clicking on this is high. Okay, so it is always better to use site links. Okay, if client is interviewer is asking, can you just recommend me something where the chances of CTR, how you can increase the CTR? Okay, can you just tell me what are the chances of increasing CTR, what you'll do for increasing it? Then you can say that. Okay, and after that is call out extensions. Same, whatever we have done site links, right? Beside that site links, same, it will show call outs also. Okay, but these are also called as call outs only. Okay, like this only it will come. I will show you now itself. See here how we are getting it. This is a basic one. Okay, organic one it is getting. If your website is good, you will get the best things out of it. It comes increase chances of selection. Here we have limitation of only 25 characters, right? Detailed answers. I'll keep detailed answers. Smart performance report. So we'll get all these reports also. Okay, if you are using this website, right? This is a very important website. If we people try it, right? Just to try it once. Okay. I'm saving the callouts also. Now you can see here. See, description is there, right? Most important questions. Below the description, it is coming. You're seeing, right? In addition to the description, you can see it. These callouts. Okay. This option also you can tell. Call actions is if you are having any phone number, you can just give your phone number. If not, you can neglect that. Okay. In addition to that, we have other options also. App extension, because we already have an app also, right? For this, we have an app. So where we can get, this is the app link. If you go, this is the app link. Okay. Keep it here. So if you are using like this, the ad will not come properly. I will delete this. Now you can see the app. Okay. Save. Even you are giving an app link also. If you're previewing, download now. Now you can see it, right? Download it now.
Yes, sir.
So this is a very better option for you to optimize it. Okay. Still other features also. Lead form is there, price extension, promo extension. These all things I will tell you in next ads. Okay. As now we don't have anything, I'm just closing this ad now. So now after completing everything, you can see review your campaign, double check your details before you publish it. Website traffic.
Lead form means for customer details entry, sir.
Yes. Customer detail. That I will tell you what type of clients you can use lead form. Okay. For this, we don't need lead form. Okay. Your campaign type is search. Campaign objective is for website traffic. What your goal is phone call leads. You have given it, but you can neglect it. Okay. As we have not given it. Okay. Budget 10 rupees per day. Bidding target impression share. Network you have not selected now. Search and display you have not selected. Location you have targeted. Languages, audience, domain, dynamic, ad schedule all day. Dynamic ad target you have not given it. Ads, one dynamic ad you have given. And extensions you have used. Everything is right. Anything is there? So
Sir.
here everything is right, but still it is not under review. Any reason? Any reason? If you can say. I know what was the reason here. We have done one mistake somewhere. Okay, I will tell you it tomorrow. It is asking for review, right? The reason is in dynamic search ads, we have done a small mistake. Okay, it's not a mistake. We have ignored that. That's it. Okay, I will be telling that tomorrow. Okay, so that the ad will go live and we can see the results from tomorrow onwards. Okay, one more thing is like whenever we are doing it right, it will be shown as draft. Okay, we can see it tomorrow what is there in that. Now I'm closing for the day. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Any questions you have, you can ask me. If not, we can wrap it up.
No questions.
Okay, then tomorrow we'll start again. Okay, complete. So by this, you people will get how to